Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So out with the Xceed Mad Drift 1/8 scale, and this is the Xtm Xt2e. So I came out to do some testing. Tomorrow we're supposed to go out and do a 600-foot shootout drag race. So you guys stay tuned for that. But for now, every other car that I'm bringing is dialed in. I had a little problem with these, so I tweaked them. Just came out real quick to see what it do. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this one on 4S. This one gonna be on 6, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we got the body off right now. I'm gonna dial it in real quick. I'm only dialing the car in right here. It's only like maybe 150, 160 feet. As long as my car goes straight, I can apply my power to it, so I ain't worried about that. But I'm gonna go ahead and keep tuning, so y'all just stay tuned. So, alright, y'all, pretty much dialing it in. This probably be the last test hit with the body off. Pretty much dial in. Hopefully that spot we going to nice and straight. But from here to that wall is about 300 feet, so you know we doubling that distance. I want to make sure my car is dialed in like that, just like that. I got a little glitch in the beginning. Got a little glitching in the beginning. That ESC probably getting hot on me. Yeah, let it cool down. I get some more hits in after. Alright, y'all, this is the Xtm. I got no body here because I'm tuning it. So like I said, I just want the cars to go straight, and we'll go from there. A lot of pulling. Alright, y'all, I want to put the body on. She pretty much dialed in, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Only thing I gotta do is play with my settings to get my stretch out of it, and I'll be good. So 600 feet, you can't really come out the hole. You know, it's like doing a speed run. You gotta come out gradually. But how I'm gonna try to get up, and then I'll pull up. I'll try to get out, and then I'll pull in the big end. At least middle, because 300 feet. By the time I get there, I still got room to pull. So you know, you don't want to top out by there. Anyway, all right, let's do this. Yeah. Came out hard that time. All right, guys, it's gonna be the last hit with the Xceed. Then I'm gonna test the Xtm, and then we're gonna call it a day. I got another video we're gonna drop tomorrow while I'm out at the 600 feet, which is a flash pack. I'm gonna do a tune on it right now. I'll probably do it on 6S, so y'all stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get this hit. Yeah, that's exactly how we want to come out of there. I'm about to get another one now. That one was too good. It was too good. I think I need a different servo. I don't like this servo. Alright, this is the last one, guys. That's a wrap for the Xceed. Let's get the Xtm Alright, YouTube, got the Xtm out. The body's scraping in the front a little bit, but I'm gonna adjust that. Just worry about the car going, that's it. Hell of a pass. This on 4S, y'all. Body too low, gotta bring it up. I think it's only that right side though. That ain't nothing, I ain't smart now. Well, that's y'all. I'm gonna get one more hit in, I'm gonna call it a day. They doing what I wanted to do, pretty much. And then from there, 600 feet we going. So I'm gonna try to put a camera at the end of the run road, so you know, cause I ain't gonna be able to see, you ain't gonna be able to zoom in on 600 feet that clear. So I'm gonna put a camera either on the cars while they racing, or I'm gonna try to put them at a camera at the end. Either way, I have some footage, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that 600 feet drag race. We're gonna be out there tomorrow, but I'm gonna drop another video tomorrow of the armor infraction with the 6S cat pack, so y'all stay tuned for that.